When it comes to our children, even the smallest decisions feel important, especially sleep. That's something every parent thinks about, yet something that's surprisingly difficult to understand. How does sleep really work for a baby? That simple question stayed with us. What began as curiosity slowly became something much deeper, a journey to understand sleep through a baby's perspective. Once we realized that for a baby, sleep is not just a routine, it's something that helps them develop better. We understood that every little detail of what is the temperature of the room, what is the fabric feeling like against their skin, how warm or cold are they feeling, every little detail mattered. Also, one very big factor was the number of times they had to be fed, the diaper needs to be changed, the clothes need to be changed. The design language had to support better sleep. That journey changed the way we looked at every product we create. Instead of asking what looks good, we started asking what feels right. As we explored different fabrics, one kept leading us back: bamboo. Not because it was new, not because it was different, but because it reflected everything we had been learning about comfort, breathability, and gentle sleep. But understanding is just one part. Bringing that understanding to life is something else entirely.
How does a day starts here?
Mornings are orders, picking up, वही है. So yeah, first half, day starts with a bit of chaos.
Behind every cocoon care product are hundreds of small decisions, the kind most people never see. Every stitch, every fabric, every detail chosen with intention.
So every single garment first is checked for softness, and then second, we try using the product from the parent's perspective. Third, we see the structure of the garment kaisa hai. These are the bare minimum basics that we take care of, and then the whole technical part of finalizing the fabric and all वो सब तो पूरा है. Last month ही जो हमारा slight defect in punching of snap buttons, तो उसके edges हल्के से sharp थे. पूरा बैच जितने भी जगह बटन लगे थे पूरा बैच रिजेक्ट हुआ. उससे बहुत बार हुआ है. The first touch itself will tell you that this is a cocoon care product because it's like comfort. जब आप महसूस कर रहे होते हैं ना आपको पता नहीं चलता है. It's only you can only feel it. You won't be able to describe it.
But no product is created by one person, and certainly not by machines alone. It's built by people who bring in their skill, their experience, their care.
दिन कैसा रहता है इस पूरी जर्नी में क्या क्या
For years, Sadabai has been an important part of our journey. He understands not only the craft, but the people behind it.
बच्चा पैदा होता है ना तो उसके जो छोटा बच्चा होता है उसकी स्किन बहुत सेंसिटिव होती है. हम इस चीज से ध्यान रखें कि उसमें कुछ भी ऐसा ना होने पाए जो उसको नुकसान पहुंचे किसी किस्म का. जब स्टार्ट किए थे हम तो नहीं देख रहे थे 8 से 10 लोगों को देखते हैं. लगभग 100 प्लस है इनके ऊपर सब मिला आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. 4 से 5 हजार गारमेंट्स बनाना से स्टार्ट किए थे. आज 40 से 50 हजार तक गारमेंट्स बनाते हैं. कहीं ना कहीं गलतियां हो जाती है. इसको दोबारा काम करके उसको फिर अच्छा करने की कोशिश करते हैं. जहाँ काम हो वहाँ गलतियां होंगी. डिफरेंट फैब्रिक है, सभी कुछ डिफरेंट है, प्रोडक्ट भी डिफरेंट है, तो इसलिए थोड़े चैलेंज ज्यादा है यहाँ पे. इसलिए काम करने की मजा ज्यादा आता है.
So, what is cocoon care? Is it the products we make, the process behind them, the people who shape them, or the families who place their trust in us? Maybe it's all of the above. Because in the end, we were never just making baby wear. We were creating comfort for everyday moments that matter. And comfort isn't created by chance. It's made with care.